Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to set up TM Tunnel VPN application in all networks and in all countries. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So I'm going to set up today's tutorial. This VPN works in all countries and on all networks. Let us open the Google Play Store and we download the VPN application. Once we reach the Google Play Store, we're going to go where we search from and we search TM Tunnel VPN. This is the VPN application I was talking about, and it is the VPN application we're going to be setting to work in all countries and on all networks. After downloading this VPN application, make sure you install it on your mobile device. Most especially those that use Android, because it works on Android devices. Let me open the VPN application. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like this video. Just help us and like our video. But they are telling us to join their Telegram channel. Yeah, we are going to join their Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates from Telegram. So I request you guys to join their Telegram channel. But me, I'm going to place later for a moment. But remember, this tutorial is purposely for research and educational purposes only. We are not after any telecom company. We are not promoting any illegal company, we are not promoting any illegal activities by sharing this type of content. So users must be using this at their own risk. So I'm going to come here where we have the three dashes right here, and then I'm going to click on them, wait for a few moments. But I'm going to come also right here where you have the updates down here, and then I press that button and wait for a few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this with your friend. Ensure that the message you get is no update. If you get any message when they are updating, ensure to click until you get a message that they have no updates. Then we are going to come right here where you have the auto select server. Then we are going to choose a server that is near, because we have a server from Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Australia, India and Canada. So I recommend my viewers, my subscribers, to choose a server that is near to their country's location. Or my subscribers usually use the auto select server and connect to the unlimited internet. So I'm going to click on that one. Then I'm going to come here where I have the Wi-Fi and data, and then I'm going to come here where I have all networks. Here I'm going to be choosing this second server, which is all country UDP. It will be working in all countries and on all networks. So after, press the start button and the VPN application will start and it will be connected automatically. I do sign out.
My name